Hi, welcome to this quick demo of a new feature that we've added to the Food Sense Generation 4. So I've got the Food Sense Generation 4 in front of me. I'm going to be measuring the hotness of a particular chili sauce, but it's not really about this individual result that I'm interested in. It's actually about trending results over time. So I'm just going to share this screen with you because every time we do a measurement on the Food Sense Generation 4, we actually end up always saving the data to the cloud, and that means we can actually do a comparison. So first of all, let me just sort of jump in and just kick off with the let's gather some new data kind of demonstration. So I will take my sample. Actually, I'll just set up my app. I will call this Badger 4. Sounds a bit strange, but I'm being very careful about, I know where I'm going to save it, so I can therefore compare it against other things. So I'll put the sample on. Now the sample goes on, and I will put the sample on the sensor like that. I will go to settings, that's fine. I'll go to assay, I'm going to tell it that it's a 1 in 100 dilution, that's done, and then the measurement is off. So that's now progressing away, and I can sort of hold that up here, and then you'll see the progression bar. In the meantime, I'm actually going to go to this screen and say that what I have here is I have a few examples. Like I said, I'm not so much interested today in the result, I'm interested in comparing results over time. So somebody asked us in a recent training session whether we could compare results over time, and when this results actually completed and gone to let's say the cloud, I will then be able to show you that the results. So it's just it's going to upload in a minute, it'll update in a second, and when it does, then I will show you that the result has actually gone to the cloud. So let me just refresh it here as well. So I will just refresh here. There we are. I can see Badger 4 up there. And if I have a look at Badger 4, I can see the results up nicely on the cloud. So what that means now then is I'm able to take my data. What I mean by take my data is let me just choose a few. In fact, what I'll do is I'll go back to here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this one, choose this one, choose this one, and just do a quick comparison between them. So sort of compare them over time. This is what I'm now going to do, and it's creating a new type of report. So I can sort of see I've got a high, an extremely low, and a very high there. So what I will do then is I will save this. It will ask me that it's an incomplete report, but I don't really care that it's an incomplete report. So it's just updating it now, and now it's effectively saved. What I can do if I'm so interested in is I can actually export it as a PDF, export it as a CSV. So I'll export it as a PDF. Badger comparison, which it is done. I'll export it now, and I can open it up here, and I can see it as a PDF, and so that I can see these are almost in chronological order, and I can see a medium, a very low, and a very high. So that gives you a sense that we can do a real-time monitoring of a chili, but then all the data is actually saved up into the cloud anyway, and then you can then do a comparison report and see how the sample changes with time. So that's the Djuli cloud system that works in with the Food Sense Generation 4. Just out of interest as well, as obviously I can go into an individual report and I can actually see all the raw signals, etc. But of course people are not so much interested in raw signals. What they really want to get hold of is how does my data maybe track with time, when I'm making different batches of sauce. Okay, I hope that helps. Take care. Thanks very much.